Wagwan kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some hemp milk. It's so easy to make but so hard to find in the supermarket, so I tend to make my own milks, juice and frozen fruits lately. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on your post notification right beside the subscription bar. So now I'm just measuring out the amount of hemp I'll be using, and if you want to know the exact recipe and ingredients I use, then you can just check out my blog. It will be the first link in the description box. So now I'm just adding my hemp seeds to my blender, and then I measured out 2 cups of water, which equal to like 1 bottle of water, because it only left a little bit after I measure out 2 cups. So that's what I did, and then I let it blend for like 3 minutes until it get this thick creamy milk consistency that I love. It also had the consistency, or slightly, I think it's the same consistency of the eggnog. And if you missed that video, I'll leave it up in the iCards. That video is very interesting and the eggnog was bomb. Okay, if you're a vegetarian, vegan, or simply just cutting out dairy, this is a amazing alternative for you.
It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I...
So now I'm just pouring it out into this container, and ta-da! There you go. Nutritious hemp milk for days. So you can choose to drink this milk as is, unsweetened, or you can sweeten it with your favorite sweetener. In this case, I'll be using honey. You can use sugar if you want to, and you can sweeten to your liking.
Run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one.
So this is the brand honey that I'll be using, and I didn't use much honey, guys, and like I said, the recipe will be on my blog, so make sure you head over and check that out.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
If you've reached this far in the video, that means you're a real one. What are you waiting for? If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, don't forget to hit it. Like, comment, share this video. Until my next video, guys, one love.